welcome to the this will be the last video for this year 2023. We'll be analyzing how to know a trend is over, how to spot a major reversal in the market. So I'm using Bitcoin today. We'll start analyzing from 2021 and we're sticking to only one time frame, the daily time frame. So Bitcoin was on an uptrend on the daily time frame. 2021 it reached 66, 69,000, 68,000 ish. Okay, let's see, it reached 68,000, 69,000. So how do you know that this market the trend is over? So it was an uptrend here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that. So it was an uptrend and it took out this previous high here. So how do you know that the trend is over? That's what we are trying to know here. So we are sticking to only this time frame, the daily. So if you look at this here, it's giving us higher high, higher low, sorry, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what's the first thing that gave us this trend is over? It came and break this internal, this higher low here. But this is a change of character. Change of character means what is the first sign of weakness. Now, when we see this break of this previous higher low, it's just a first sign that it is the trend might change, not really that the trend has changed. So what do you say again? So it after a break of structure, expect a pullback on that time frame. It pull back. If you go to lower time frame, you see it's more better. But we dare just stick to this time frame. It's pull back. It came again and break this point again. So now this here is a failed high. Failed high means now we have two break of structure now. So here first is a change of character. Now it's a break of structure. So a break of structure downside now. Pull back again, give us another lower high. So now from higher highs, it's giving us now lower low and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I see that. So now the trend has changed. Many people might be thinking that this is the last strong low on the weekly time frame, but I think this structural change here, for me, that's where I know my trend has changed. So another break again, lower low, lower high, like that. Keep giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower, like that. So at this cause of when this market was coming down, so at this cause when the market was going down, there's something people do actually. People were busy placing buys at different points. Now you can take a counter trend buy, but for you to detect that the market has switched completely bullish, people when it was here, they bought, but this was here. I think this was our last previous lower high. So on the market break that point, it's still on a downtrend. People keep saying he's buying, he's buying, he's buying. Now some people might see this thing going down. They say it is, let's say 2021. At this 2022, they might say it has been on a downtrend for a long time, so it's likely to reverse. No, even though it might sell for 10 years, as far as it didn't meet our conditions for a double break of structure, it's still on a downtrend. So lower low, lower high, lower low, it breaks again. So break here again. So where's our last lower high? This is our last lower high. For markets to change trend, it must break that point. So again, lower low, lower high, lower low, like that. People say it will reverse. It's not like it will reverse, it will reverse, it reverse. It doesn't matter whether how long it takes, whether it takes 10 years. As far as it doesn't meet our condition, it's still on the downtrend. So this is our last break of structure. And where was the last point? Where's our last lower high? So this is our last lower high here. Now the video is not about that previous this thing here. The video is about how we knew that Bitcoin has changed to an uptrend. How we knew. Now let me show you. Okay. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So at this point pullback, it give us this major, because this one, this lower high went above this one. So this was our last lower high that break this structure here. So it's a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this was our last lower high that led to the break of the structure. Okay, pull back here and our break to the downside. So let me pull out all this this thing is getting really messy. So let's mark our last lower high that led to the break of structure. You have market. So for this trend to change, what do you think will happen? It must come and break our last lower high. Come and break our last lower high. Some people might take it as a last lower high, but me, I take this one because this was like the pullback that you took out this high and went and break it low. So I'm taking this as my just last one push to the downside here. So what happened here? Market came. Now this market has been on a downtrend for like 2 years. It doesn't matter how long. It must meet your criteria because people have been taking buys and taking losses on the way. So let's see what happened here. Market came, break this our last lower high. So what do we call that? We call that a change of character. Change of character is just the first sign that the trend might change. When market came and break this point here, it doesn't mean that we should start taking buys immediately. Some people might take a risky buy there, but that's safe. I don't really do that actually. I don't really do that. It's very, very risky. Very risky. It can lead to heavy losses. So, and we are not even sure because it's been on the downtrend for a long time. So first, a break here, a change of character. Change of character is also a BMS, but we'll just use that as a first sign. Change of character means what? A sign that trend want to change. So first change of character. After change of character. Now, sometimes it might come and give a change of character and tap this other block and sell to the downside. So that's why I wait for second break of structure now. Change of character. What next are we waiting for? We're waiting for the market to break the previous high it created. So this was a previous high. So market pull back. I told you markets came to this other block here and sell and came and break this point here. Now, what do you think happened now? This is a failed low now. Here is a failed low. A failed low means what? Market was giving us another break of structure upside. Now, if you have waited patiently, you can see here, market came, change of character first here, change of character, pull back as if it's going down. Now give us a failed low here and came and give us another break of structure. So here, change of character, break of structure, trend has changed permanently on the daily time frame. So simple and short. So market came to the first order block here and buy. We're not talking about how we take a trade here. Now let's see what happened. So this was our last. So from lower low to higher low now. Higher low, higher low, higher high. So this was our last higher high now. After a break of structure, expect a pullback. So market break this structure here, went up, create a higher high, pulled back, enter this other block. Enter this other block now. Now this is our strong low here, strong low, our strong higher low. Now we don't expect market to break this higher low actually. So market pull back into the range. What do you see again? It went up and break this higher high. So where's our new higher low now? This will be our new higher low now. So are you seeing it now? First, a change of character. Next, a break of structure to the upside. Now, market was giving us lower than lower high, but now the trend has changed. You got it higher low, higher high, higher low, another higher high. Now, what we expect now? This is a strong low. Don't expect it to go. Market pull back to the range again. Enter this other block here and break it again. What do you see? So higher low, higher high, a pullback. Market came, tap into the other block, break it again, another higher low again, higher low again. So that's why we knew that the trend had changed completely. But where did we first know that trend had changed completely? It was at this point here when market took out this high here. So if I waited patiently, 2 years of bearish trend. These 2 years, some people will be using time as their reference of trend change. It has been 2 years now, it will reverse now, it doesn't matter. Market might even go down for 10 years, doesn't matter. Market must just give us a change of character, first sign of change that the trend is likely to change, then a BMS to the upside, then look at it here. So if I waited patiently for 2 years, this time to reap your profit now on Bitcoin. That's simple and short. How do you know the trend has changed? Simple and short. Simple and short. If you go to lower time frame, you see more detail, but I'm just going to daily time frame here to give you just a brief framework of how you analyze your trend change. Next, you'll begin doing multi-time frame analysis. But this simply have already taught you how you know that your trend has changed. That's simple and short. I think